GrubSmarter AI has just been released, and in this review, we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in. Whether you're new to AI or a seasoned pro, you'll want to stick around until the end, because this software promises some game-changing features for those in the food and restaurant industries. And don't forget, you can try it for free with the first link in the description. So what is GrubSmarter AI all about? It's designed to optimize every step of your food ordering process. If you run a restaurant, a delivery service, or anything in the food industry, this tool could be exactly what you need to streamline operations and boost sales. Let's break down how it works. First off, the AI uses advanced algorithms to analyze customer data and preferences. It tracks past orders, dining habits, and seasonal trends to recommend personalized menus. This means the software can adjust in real time, offering the most appealing options to customers. With this, you're not just offering food, you're offering a tailored experience that can help boost customer retention and satisfaction. Now, let's talk about GrubSmarter's order optimization feature. This is one of its standout capabilities. The AI monitors your incoming orders and makes suggestions on the most efficient way to fulfill them. This might sound simple, but it's a huge time saver in busy kitchens and can even help manage your inventory by predicting the ingredients you'll need most. No more last-minute ingredient shortages. Another powerful feature is its ability to integrate with your existing ordering system. If you're already using platforms like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or even your own delivery system, GrubSmarter seamlessly integrates with these. This saves you time and money, as you won't need to switch between different systems or software. It consolidates everything into one smooth process. The AI also offers dynamic pricing. This is particularly important if you're managing high-demand periods, like weekends or holidays. GrubSmarter can adjust prices in real time based on demand, which helps maximize your revenue without overcharging customers. It keeps you competitive and ensures you're making the most out of every sale. But here's something you'll really want to hear. GrubSmarter's predictive analytics tool. It helps you forecast demand, anticipate busy times, and predict food trends based on local and global data. This tool can give you a serious edge over competitors, allowing you to plan better, save on unnecessary stock, and even forecast profits for specific periods. Another cool feature is the built-in customer service chatbot. This isn't just a regular bot. It's powered by AI and can handle all types of customer inquiries in real time. Whether it's tracking an order or answering menu questions, this bot provides a more professional and faster response, leaving you more time to focus on other aspects of the business. Finally, GrubSmarter AI has a dashboard that's both user-friendly and packed with data. It gives you insights on customer behavior, sales trends, and even kitchen efficiency, so you can see what's working and what needs improvement. This helps you make data-driven decisions rather than guessing or relying on instinct alone. To wrap things up, if you're in the food industry and looking for ways to boost efficiency, cut costs, and offer a personalized experience to your customers, GrubSmarter AI is a software you don't want to miss. It offers powerful features, is easy to integrate, and can be used to scale your operations. And the best part, you can try it for free with the link below. Now, if you're someone who loves exploring the best AI tools, check out my recommended software in the description. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and these are the ones I swear by. Give them a try and see for yourself.